In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneNote not letting me paste. If you're having trouble pasting text, images, or other content into OneNote, don't worry, we have a series of troubleshooting steps to help you resolve this issue. Let's get started. First, let's copy the content again. Sometimes the clipboard contents may become cleared or corrupted, which can prevent pasting. Head back to the original app or web page where you first copied the content. Highlight the text or image you want to copy, and use the copy function again. Once you've done that, return to OneNote and try pasting by pressing Ctrl and V if you are on Windows, or Command and V if you are on a Mac. This step is crucial because it ensures that you have fresh content on your clipboard. Next up is to restart OneNote. A temporary app glitch can sometimes interfere with pasting. Before you completely close the app, make sure to save any unsynced changes. Once everything is saved, close OneNote completely. Then reopen OneNote and attempt to paste again. Many users report that this simple action often restores normal clipboard behavior. It's a quick fix that can save you time and frustration. Now we need to test the clipboard. This will help identify whether the issue lies with OneNote or the clipboard itself. Copy some text from any source, then try pasting it into another application such as Notepad or Word. If the text pastes successfully there but not in OneNote, it indicates that the problem is likely specific to OneNote. Understanding where the issue originates is important because it can guide you to the next steps. After that, let's try a different paste option. Sometimes, rich formatting from the copied content can cause problems. Right-click where you want to paste in OneNote and look for an option that says Keep Text Only if it's available. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl and Shift and V on Windows or Command and Shift and V on Mac to paste as plain text. This can bypass any formatting issues and ensure that your content appears correctly. Next, it's time to update OneNote. Keeping your software up to date is important for smooth functionality. Open any Microsoft Office app like Word and navigate to File, then Account. From there, select Update Options followed by Update Now. After the update finishes, make sure to restart OneNote. This little step ensures that you benefit from all the latest features and bug fixes. Now, let's move on to repair or reset OneNote if you're using Windows. Open Settings, then go to Apps and find Installed Apps. Locate OneNote in the list and click on Advanced Options. From there, select Repair. If the problem persists, you can then select Reset. This is a more involved step, but it can help resolve deeper issues within the application. Then we must check for sync issues. If your notebook isn't syncing correctly, it can hinder editing and pasting. Ensure that you are connected to the internet and verify that the notebook is syncing properly. If necessary, try opening the notebook in OneNote for the web to determine whether the issue is with the desktop app. Finally, if clipboard functions are failing across multiple applications, it's time to restart your computer. Restarting can clear temporary system issues that may be affecting the clipboard. After your computer boots back up, check OneNote again to see if the problem has been resolved. This last step is often overlooked, but it can make a significant difference in restoring normal functionality. Following these steps should help you fix the issue with OneNote not letting you paste. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.